Okay, students. Now we studied digestive system is complete and body is divided into head. Body is divided into head. Then visceral hump. Then body is divided into head, visceral hump, and muscular foot. Muscular foot. 3 regions. Okay, like this. This is a head region and this is a visceral hump, and the largest part of the body of mollusc is muscular foot. I told about the mantle. What is a mantle? A mantle, that is a visceral hump, is covered by a spongy layer of skin. A spongy layer of skin is mantle. In the last video I forgot telling about, that is about the calcareous shell. And this mantle is covered by the calcareous shell of the mollusk. Mantle cover ചെയ്തിട്ടാണ് എന്ത് ഈ molluscയുടെ calcareous shell എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഈ ഒരുപക്ഷെ ഈ മാന്റിലാണ് ഈ കാൽക്കറിയസ് ഷെല്ലിനെയും സെക്രീറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അതിൻ്റെ സെക്രീറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന കാൽസ്യം ആ കാൽക്കറിയസ് ഷെൽ ആ സബ്സ്റ്റൻസസ് സിന്തസൈസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ഈ മാന്റിൽ സോഫ്റ്റ് ടിഷ്യൂ ലെയർ ആണെന്നും പറയപ്പെടുന്നു. ഓക്കെ, സോ once again this is a mouth portion or head region, head portion, visceral hump, and this is a muscular foot, and the visceral hump is covered by mantle, and mantle is covered by the calcareous shell of the mollusk, Okay, then this digestive system, complete digestion, that means both mouth and anus are present. Mouth and anus are present. Through the mouth they will take their food, or ingestion of the food takes place through their mouth. Okay, ingestion of food എടുക്കുന്നത് മൗത്തിൽ കൂടിയാണ് അല്ലേ. Ingestion of food takes place through their mouth. At the opening of the mouth they have one feeding organ or chewing organ. ചവച്ചരിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് അടുത്ത ആ ഓപ്പണിംഗ്, മൗത്തിൻ്റെ ഓപ്പണിംഗ് റീജിയനിലുള്ള ഒരു ഫീഡിംഗ് ഓർഗൻ, ഒരു chewing organ. That name of that organ is known as radula. What is the name of that organ? Radula. Okay, radula. What is the radula? At the opening of the mouth, the mollusc have at the opening of the mouth a chewing organ is known as radula. It is a file, like ഒരു ഫയൽ എങ്ങനെയാണോ അടുക്കി വെച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത് അതേപോലെയാണ്. And that radula have teeth. That teeth is used for feeding or for chewing. And that is teeth composed of chitin material. Chitinous teeth is present. This on this radula. Understand? What is a radula? This is at the mouth of the mollusk, or at the mouth opening of the mollusk have a chewing organ. Chewing organ is known as radula. Chewing organ is known as radula, chewing organ. And this radula have what's the special feature of the radula is like a file like ആണ് അതിൻ്റെ അടുക്കി വെച്ചിരിക്കുന്ന ഒരു ഫയൽ ലൈക്ക് ഗ്രാസ് ഫീഡിങ് ഓർഗനാണ് ദിസ് radula എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, then this radula have chitinous teeth. Are also present. This radulas. This is a special feature of phylum Mollusca, presence of radula. എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് മോളസ്കയുടെ ഫീച്ചറാണ്. പ്രസൻസ് ഓഫ് മാന്റിൽ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് മോളസ്കയുടെ യൂണിക് ഫീച്ചറാണ്. All of you got the point? Okay, next the respiratory system. Well developed or present. Respiratory system present. And the different members of the respiratory system, I already told. These are phylum molluscs are some of them are terrestrial and some of them are aquatic forms. And all the aquatic forms of the molluscs have gills. The respiratory organ is gills, but terrestrial forms respiratory organ is lungs. Okay, respiratory organ of terrestrial forms are lungs, And the respiratory organ of aquatic forms are gills. Okay, respiratory system. Aquatic forms in gills are respiratory organ. Terrestrial forms in lungs are respiratory organ. The next, the circulatory system. Circulatory system is open type of circulatory system. Open type means that does not have the closed blood vessels. From the heart, it directly pump into the body cavity. Circulatory system is open type of circulatory system. Exception, octopus. Octopus, closed circulatory system. They have closed blood vessels. Circulatory system open type ആണ്. Octopus exception ആണ്. Octopus closed circulatory system ആണ്. And their blood is blue in color. What is the reason for the blue in color? In the arthropod we studied which respiratory pigment give the blue in color. Hemocyanin. Respiratory pigment of the mollusk is a hemocyanin. So the color of the blood is blue in color. Color of the blood is blue in color. Circulatory system is open type except octopus. Octopus have closed circulatory system, and the blood of the mollusk is blue in color because of the presence of the respiratory pigment hemocyanin. Okay, got the point? Next, the excretion. Excretory organs are gills. Gills are avade excretory organ. Excretory organs, gills are. Then about the sensory organs. Sense organs are different. They have tentacles. What's the tentacles? Eyes, statocyst. Tentacles have touch receptors. Tentacles have touch receptors. Touch receptors. Then next for eyes for detecting light. Statocyst for balancing organ. Balancing organ. Okay, there is a sense organ. Then the reproduction. Reproduction is unisexual. Most of them are unisexual. What is meant by unisexual? They exhibit sexual dimorphism. Male and females are separate. Unisexual. Pila, example, octopus. But sepia is a bisexual. Sepia. In the sepia itself, both male and female sex organs present. The sepia is both male and female sex organs. Development, direct development, and some of them are indirect, are oviparous with the indirect development. Indirect development follows larval forms under trochophore larva. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്കിൽ പഠിക്കാനില്ല കേട്ടോ. നീറ്റ് എൻട്രൻസ് എക്സാം എഴുതാൻ ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചാൽ മതി. വെലീജിയർ ലാർവ. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ ഇതൊക്കെ ഈ ഇൻഡയറക്റ്റ് ഡെവലപ്മെന്റ് ഫോളോ ചെയ്ത മോളസ്കിക്കുള്ള അവിടെ ഡിഫറെന്റ് ലാർവൽ ഫോംസിന്റെ പേര് ട്രോക്കോഫോർ, വെലീജിയർ ലാർവ, എക്സെട്ര, അങ്ങനെ പല ലാർവൽ ഫോംസ് ഉണ്ടാവും. സോ ദീസ് ആർ ദ ഡിഫറെന്റ് ഫീച്ചേഴ്സ് ഓഫ് ദ ഫൈലം mollusk. Examples of mollusk: Pila, apple snail. അതൊരു കോമൺ നെയിം ആണ്. ആപ്പിൾ സ്നെയിൽ. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് സാധാരണ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വരാറുള്ള ആപ്പിൾ സ്നെയിൽ അറിയപ്പെടുന്ന ഫൈലം മോളസ്ക് വിച്ച് ഏതാണ്? അങ്ങനെ ഇപ്പോൾ ഈ രണ്ട് പേര് പഠിച്ചിരിക്കുക. പിങ്ടാഡ, പേൾ ഓയിസ്റ്റർ. സെപ്പിയ, കട്ടിൽ ഫിഷ്. ലോളിഗോ, സ്കിഡ്. ഒക്ടോപ്പസ്, ഡെവിൽ ഫിഷ്. ഡെന്റാലിയം, ടസ്ക് ഷെൽ. കീറ്റോപ്ലൂറ, കൈറ്റൺ. Eplasia, sea hare. These are the examples of phylum mollusk. So once again, phylum mollusk, soft-bodied animals. Soft-bodied animal. They are coelomate, tropoblastic, bilateral symmetrical, tube within tube body, plan, organ system level of organization. Their unique feature: body is divided into head, viscera, hump, muscular foot. Muscular foot is considered the largest part of the mollusk. And all of them, this body visceral hump is covered by a soft spongy layer of skin is known as mantle. Mantle is also covered by or mantles around the mantle their calcareous shell. Then their mouth, at the mouth openings, they have their chewing organs radula with chitinous teeth. Respiratory organs, gills, most of them have gills, but terrestrial forms have lungs. Circulatory system open type, except octopus is closed circulatory system, and their respiratory pigment is hemocyanin, so the blood of the mollusk are blue in color. Excretion through gills. Sensory organs like tentacles, eyes, statocysts are present. Reproduction, unisexual and bisexual, unisexual or bisexual. Most of them are unisexual, except is a bisexual. Development, direct or indirect. Okay, thank you.